Oh, stupid, this guy, stupid, sial. Holy frog, so stupid this car. Luôn tiệm nè, trẻ kìa. Thì với bà vào, ok. Thảo kia biết mình chào chơi có mình biết. Temporary ya, carpet ni ya. Beli saja lah. Kita pergi lepak vlog hari ni. Tak tahu nak buat apa kan. Isteri sudah bersalin. My wife is already give birth. I need to take care of my son. Luckily, my sister mom coming, so I can run away for a moment. Yeah. So really some stress. Go to find my friend Alun, the mechanic, Win Motorsport. So no current this car. This one I purchased at TikTok, I think, if not mistaken. TikTok this one. Nampak tak? Call already switch off the terminal, the battery directly. So I connect at the negative instead of positive. Both side also can, two side also can. But lebih baik, it's better you all put at the negative side. So just turn on. Is it? Turn on. I think it's on already. I think it's on already. Okay, let's try and see. Very cheap only. Very cheap. Lock, unlock. Lock, unlock. I think I turned it wrong direction. Oh, you cannot turn all. Actually, it's just like this. I think like this is on. Okay. Oh. Got light already. Okay. Can on, can off. So now, my carpet just arrived. Don't misunderstood, guys. This is a cheap carpet. This is not real HKS. This is Hokkien we say Hun Ki Sai. Okay. Hun Ki Sai. Hun Ki Sai. It's not HKS. It's a normal temporary. I got the Nismo carpet as well. And this Trapo carpet is not for my car one actually. It's just a everything is just a temporary. This HKS carpet is also universal. I just put here. Let's try to take out. Oh, nice also. Nice. Quite nice also leh. Okay lah. The back I think no use but never mind. Let's just put it. Temporary HKS. But I think no use the back we don't need put I can put at my house carpet. Never mind. For another side, let's just put the HKS as well. Very cheap only this carpet. You can simply get it at Shopee, TikTok, or Temu. Okay, keep back. Now I want to go duplicate this key. I extra purchase. Okay. Let's go. Start the car. Okay guys, let's go. By the way, today in this video, while I'm driving, I'm using this. This is what we call the Cardinal Quick 3K. This one, but it's quite heat a little bit. There are a lot of flavors. This one is a tobacco flavor. Okay. It's a creamy tobacco flavor. Not cold. So a lot of people ask me, my house there's no parking anymore. How I gonna keep all my car into my house? Actually, the moment when I repair my DC2, my house is like very kosong. So I bring in my A86 to park at my house. Okay, and then after that, when my DC2 done, I go to purchase the RX7. So my house got 86, DC2, RX7, Tesla, okay, and Sirocco. So beside got 2 car, in front got 3 car. So when I purchased my FL5 that time, I sold my Sirocco. So there is 5 car. Then I got 1 Viewfire parking outside of my house because the Viewfire cannot go in anymore. And then got one time, my house straight just left 2 car, I think. Because my RX7, it takes around 8 months to settle the body kit and then the paint job, very long. So my RX7 is not at my house. And my DC2, I think, got things to do also. So when my friend come to my house that time, there is still a space. They cannot see my RX7. I'm so fed up. There is no one time that every time my friend come to my house that time can see full of my car. Don't have. Every time they come from KL, sure one of my car missing. because repair here, repair that, do this and do that. Before I purchase this car, I send my AE86, I take my RX-7 back, and then I send my at the same time I send my AE86 to the painting shop, and then there is still a space right now, so that's why I purchased this Skyline. So there is still a parking. There is still parking. Okay, at the side we can park RX-7, DC2. In front we can park my Skyline, Tesla, and also the FL5 in front of my house. So by the time when my AE86 is already done all the paint job, everything, there's still parking, because this car need to start to do the project of the engine and also the body kit and a lot of things. So when this car is complete, there's still a parking at my house, no worries. Later my DC2 need to service again, put at the mechanic shop again, and then after DC2 done, there's still parking, no worries. I'll take my Tesla, go to KL and fix something maybe. When my Tesla is done, come back that time, no worries guys. My RX-7 maybe need to upgrade turbo, engine or whatever, and then when my RX-7 everything's done, perfect, come back that time, no worries, got parking. My FL5 project gonna start soon, so my house is always full of my GDM car. Even one car not inside my house, they're still full of my car. So whenever my friend come to visit me, oh stupid, this guy stupid sial. So whenever my friend come to visit me, oh stupid, this guy stupid sial. Holy fuck, so stupid this car. Chase him. Holy frog, so stupid this car. I'm gonna chase him. Let's see his number plate. PQV 2480. I'm using my, let's try to use the dashcam and record this car. Let's see his number plate. PQV 2480. Crazy oh. The side got so many batu he straight fly over. Oh yo. The driving habit got a little bit problem. Let's chase him. Him or her, I don't know. Let's chase. Oh, I think emergency Siao one, this guy. He's a guy. Crazy. So every time when my friend come to find me that time, they can see all my car. Because I very pantang, you know. Every time my house there kosong like nothing see, you know. Sometimes the timing so ngam Every time my friend come that time my this car at this shop, my this car at this shop. This car right now gonna have a very big project Now I already start love this car. The interior, the driving style very short 6-cylinder and then later on I need to send to KL some more and leave me away. I think 2-3 months again, cannot touch this car. So sad, but what to do, need to do nicely. Body kit, paint job, everything. But it's just say hi or whatever. If I reply one people, I don't reply all the people. All the fans will sure feel like, oh, they pick people and reply this guy like this. Okay, I understand the feeling. It seems like sometimes when I message Jackson Wang and then I see he reply other people, no reply me, I also very sad. So you understand not? But no worries guys, I got read your message. So you all can comment below. Try to comment and see. This one this roof should I go to put Alcantara black color more nicer? Because like this the color it looks very uncle. Now I want to go clone my key. Let's go. That day come to this shop, close shop, no one let me do the key. It's just only 1 second only. Wait me a while so cannot. So let's go. See, that day I told you all guys, I give Alun 1 and then I go purchase again Nismo. So now I got 3 of the Nismo key. Yay! So nice. Let's go. Please don't close shop It's my friend's shop also. Ăn hối Hồi đây ăn hối hả? Hai chị đã phải xem một lần. Chấm chìm mèo nè, lộ xe lòng cầm tiệm. Lấy vào gà con lòng bồi nghe. 誒，這檔嘅數字冇人做嘅嗬，你阿諗
冇啦，俾我俾做。
都未做咩？現在啊，咩釘嘅未？
因為我是另外我想做，做印做紙嘅兩個咩？
樣是講愛架車，你講第幾擺？
冇想嘅，呢隻我冇想。
I start engine 幾擺咧？
哎買 V
嚇
買 VA。
你講乜
嗯
嚇嚇？start engine 幾擺了？唔知愛係咪？了愛安怎我隨看？
綁起來，綁起來。
安得先啊？
冇電頭嘅，未驚。
有得我電頭，
這是。
因為一電頭，伊好一支數字呢，我驚啊！
就是安尼啊。
係好啊，你講呢，就是我驚啊數。佢冚個了門，要 lock driver side door，要 insert remove key from the ignition more than 6 times with 10 second power lock， 你講係物件咯。
這個用對伊個關鍵阿蘭嘅，OK，像買 V 嘅阿蘭，伊你冇來，阿蘭冇是就會汽車set嘅上。
汽車 set，你講呢 set，你講呢。
就會買對上 frequency。
其實要多出家己掛咩？
冇水。
啊，掛正落3點鐘啊，家己咩？
嘢啦，冇得做咧。
Sorry guys, I lazy to translate Very lazy to translate. This is my friend shop 88. Clone my. Hey, brother. Hey, gimana? Macam ni ah. Le, walk second mana? Walk second.
Rumah lah.
Ha?
Ini dua roda.
Tôi sẽ abai lau lại chậm kia à? Ok là mà chán tí này con.
Bocor ke mah?
À, quan chân. Sang chín lu confirm yang là lại kali.
Ông cả cũng comment à?
À, để chiêu căng em đi. Anh chia chạy á.
Ai à?
Bố? Ni small. Ni small. Này hả? Cái hả? Lu bộ tiếp tục 6 cylinder à?
6 cylinder là gì?
Là liệp huy. Lu bắt ngồi rồi không?
Abi chập la.
Dập lã cái đó là liệp huy mà. Sạm gò lúc bà ngồi rồi không?
Không phải.
Sạm gò V6 mà. Inline 6.
Tiếp đi.
Tiếp đi. Isinya, lu kalau kau test dia mana isinya? 1J, 2J, AB à? Xí liệp huy lu bộ sim gì à? Bộ sim. AB dập gò. Tapi jin cak to mấy tiếng. AB dập bị.
Nó gò bên trong lá bùa đó. Dạ, kuning.
Wow, lao ơi. Chứ chả bảo lu quỷ bún nữa. Yang差幾錢啊？
Dập quay à?
哦，我找你試下上年啊！
啊，
我佢哋試下啫，我嘛上年。
哦，你做得開嘛？
嚇
入紙嗰啲冇被沙汁啊？
10幾啊！
超一搭你喎！
嗰時雜波行啊！
中這個啊，後邊真係咁貴嗎？
貴。去哪裡吃東西啊？Steak 啊，steak 啊！哎，生意好嗎？還 OK 啊
？40啊，吃飯啦！
記得吃龜療湯啊，生病。
要吃到這個嗎？
做工啊，做工。I got screw 啊。Let's try the new key. Haha. Finish sembang talking with my friend. Okay, let's try. Ni small. Oh. Wait, cannot. How? Cannot. Oi, need to check again. Not sure why cannot. Let's go check again. Thả bể chip, quay cái chéo là bộ. Again, so si siêu vấn đề nè.
Bay.
Tebal.
Bay à?
A few moments later.
The key is damaged. See the end. But never mind. At least can use. Yes can use Okay, let's go. Aiya, my key damage the size not so nice the size. But never mind I still got 2 key I might spare first. At least I got spare key right now. Okay guys, so you all try to comment below. Should I get a iPhone 17 Pro Max or not? Because everything's money, right now. Camera non-stop, modified car non-stop, and then my vape business is also going down because of the government. But what to do guys? I already tell you all guys, life goes on cannot do anything Less do, less stress, and then play car never dies. My own side here, susah. Every time do video for you all just want to let you all know 我的过程my 过程 English call what? Try to comment below Sometimes do video too fast I forget because too many language cannot remember. Important is the call what? The process or my lifestyle make you all happy, let you all understand about car things, modification modified cars. What do I get? I don't get anything. My person very chincai one. You all guys thought YouTube pay me a lot. No, YouTube doesn't pay a lot of money for the YouTube video. Cannot even cover my expenses. Cannot. But because YouTube is my hobby, doing video, making vlog is my hobby. Started over than 10 years. I do all these things over than 10 years. I also cannot do anything. At Malaysia, at my video, I speak English, I kena marah, I get scold. I speak Malay, I get scold. Let all people scold. I speak Chinese, everyone scold. If I put subtitle, the video duration like today I do video, night I edit, I can upload directly. If you ask me to put a subtitle, at least I need to take 5 to 1 week slowly go and type, because the CapCut subtitle is not accurate one. So I need to release my video faster. I cannot focus on my the subtitle. Sometimes I know my video is a little bit boring because it's just I talking, my own self talking. This type of video is for you all when driving or at your living room, and when you eating dinner that time, nothing to do, then you just open my video and then just watch what I'm talking. Sometimes I try to do a tutorial for the car, this one, that one, how to do this, how to do that. But sometimes when the time there is nothing to do at my car, then I just do vlog, talking with you all. The iPhone 17 Pro Max now they come with the back camera, also 3 of the camera also 48 megapixel. I don't care about the back camera. The most important is the front facing camera. Previously 12 megapixel, now they upgrade into 18 megapixel, and you no need to put in horizontal mode. Even vertical, your phone vertical, it also will straight record horizontal video. The sensor, square sensor, so it's easy for me sometimes if I want to do vlog. You all guys try comment below, should I upgrade or not? So I reached Win Motorsport already. Go lepak, chat with you all next time. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.